Are you a car enthusiast? I dare you to play this game. Guess these old car logos. What logo is this? Mosler. What logo is this? Cole. What logo is this? Packard. What logo is this? Continental. What logo is this? AMC. What logo is this? Duesenberg. What logo is this? DeLorean. What logo is this? Auburn. What logo is this? Kaiser Fraser. What logo is this? Nash Motors. What logo is this? Marmon. What logo is this? Mercury. What logo is this? Pontiac. What logo is this? Saturn. What logo is this? Studebaker. What logo is this? Plymouth. What logo is this? Oldsmobile. What logo is this? Hummer. What logo is this? Stutz. What logo is this? Dual Gear. What logo is this? Edsel. What logo is this? Cord. What logo is this? LaSalle. What logo is this? Hudson. What logo is this? Aerocar International. What logo is this? Franklin. What logo is this? Detroit Electric. Did you get everything? Tells us on the comments below. Subscribe to the channel. Follow us for more.